In this video, we will be showing you how to access Flipgrid. So, from your Google Bitmoji Classroom, go into Google Classroom, then into your Bitmoji, and then you probably will have something that looks similar to this. This is a link to Flipgrid. So you're going to click on it. And when it comes up, there will be some instructions on how you can share what your teacher has asked you to do. Now, especially for our younger readers, your teacher will probably explain what you need to do, but if you have any questions, they've written it right here in a description. And if your parents are busy and can't read it to you at the moment, there's this great tool that you can use where you would just click on that, and when you press play, you'll be able to hear what the directions are.
Tell us how you spent your summer vacation. It can be true or false, and we can decide. Have fun, and you can show us your picture too. You have 30 seconds. This Flipgrid will be able to be seen by our class. You can redo it if you mess up. Have fun and enjoy.
All right, so some of the videos that your teachers may make, they might ask you to share reading and it would be private just between you and the teacher. But in this case, it will be seen by everybody. So now I'm going to show you how you can record a response. You're going to click on record a response and that will load this video. So in order to take a video, you are going to click on the video camera here. There are other options that you can have while you are doing this. I wouldn't worry about these, especially for our younger friends. Sometimes they can have fun adding different emojis to their videos if they want, and they can move them around as they're talking. I know that my last year's group had a really great job getting creative and having fun with this. So I'm sure that your class probably can too. In our particular assignment that we're working on, we were talking about how we celebrated our vacations, and we said that they could be either true or false and that we would decide. So in this particular assignment, I gave my students 30 seconds to read their writing. So if you can't get it done in 30 seconds, you're going to want to practice so that you have that amount of time. I have my writing that I did here, so I'm going to share it and show you how you would do it. So I've done my writing assignment. It's time to share in Flipgrid. I'm going to press this record button, and then I'm going to read my work and show my work to the camera. So here we go. And it counts you down. My family and I went to the moon. We met some aliens. They looked different, but we had fun together. We invited them to Earth next year. And you can see up above that you have that counter counting down. So really 30 seconds and it'll turn red. You can see that as you're working on it. If you get done early, you can always hit pause, or you can get to the end. I'm going to pause it just to show you. So now your video is done, and you would click next.
My family and I went to the moon.
This is where you can rewatch your video and see if it's how you like it. If you don't like it, you can go back. If you do, I'm just going to play this.
We met some aliens. They look different. Early, you can always hit pause or down. My family.
So the next thing you will do is you'll click next. And again, if you want to edit it, if you can see down here, there's an edit where you can go back and retape it if you want. But this last section is where you're going to click a selfie, it says, so that when your friends come to see it, they'll be able to see your video. So what we would like you to try to do is kind of show your writing if possible. Most of you will have probably not landscape, but the other way around. But if you can show your writing, you can go ahead and put that in, and you'll just click the button. And now you can see there's a selfie there. And then you click next. It will upload your video for you, and all of these will be prompted. You're going to put your name in there. Of course, my students know me as Mrs. D. You can write a title if you would like. You don't have to. That's up to you. And then you're just going to click submit. And it says success. It is now visible to everybody else. So in this particular one, everybody, all your friends will be able to see this video that you've made. And to see someone else's video, all you need to do is click on it. My family and I. And it will share that video. And if you want to comment on a friend's and tell them they did a great job, you can do that. The way you comment, though, is also in a video. So it would be the same way that you just did, where you're going to record and take the selfie. I'm not going to leave a video comment. You can also tell a friend that you liked it by clicking on that like button, and that's fine too. I just want you to know that when you have a topic, sometimes it might not, your teacher might say that it's a private video. So in that case, when you submit it, it will not show up here. And I will show you in a later video, once we do a private one, where that shows up. But for now, that's how you use Flipgrid. I hope that made sense. We're going to cross our fingers and try it tomorrow and hope for the best. Have a great day.